You ever had that moment? You finally lie down, scroll a bit, check one more video, then boom, it's 3 a.m. You wake up 6 hours later, eyes burning, brain fogged, soul somewhere in limbo, and you say the same thing you always say, I'll sleep early tomorrow. But bro, tomorrow never comes. Meanwhile, there's that one friend, that one entrepreneur, that one YouTuber who shows up on your feed with that smooth, effortless confidence and says, I only sleep 5 hours and I feel amazing. And you're left sitting there in your bed, the phone in hand, lamps dimmed, staring into the ceiling, thinking, bro, how? Well, today, you'll finally understand. This isn't hype. This isn't clickbait. It's neuroscience. It's real. It's gritty. And yes, you can apply it. Let's stop messing up your sleep. Let's stop treating sleep like the enemy. Let's start hacking it like a high performer. It's not how long you sleep. It's how deep you sleep. It's not the hours on the clock. It's the quality inside those hours. Your brain doesn't just clock in and out, it cycles. Every approximately 90 minutes, you pass through a loop of stages: light sleep, deep sleep, REM sleep, and back again. Each stage with a purpose. Deep sleep, recovery for your body. Your muscles rebuild, your immune system restores, your battery recharges. REM sleep, recovery for your brain. Focus returns. Creativity regenerates. Memory consolidates. If these cycles are intact, clean, uninterrupted, aligned, your body uses fewer hours and still comes out victorious. Now here's the problem. If your sleep is fragmented, hit by blue light, stress, caffeine, random work, chaos, you can sleep 9 hours and still wake up feeling like you spent all night fighting. On the flip side, if your cycles are efficient, if you're in the zone, you can sleep 5.5 to 6 hours and wake up like you stole time. Like you're ahead, like you're energized. Sleep at the same time. Every night. No excuses. Your brain is a rhythm machine. Consistency trains it. The more consistent you are, the more reliable your system becomes when you sleep and wake at the same time. Even weekends. You strengthen your circadian rhythm. It's like you're telling your body, here's the schedule, lock in. And it listens. Say you pick 11 p.m. to 5:30 a.m. Stick to it. Weekends too. This discipline becomes your hidden advantage. You're not missing out. You're getting ahead. Follow the 90-minute rule. Here's a powerful trick. Your wake-up time should align with the end of a cycle, not the middle. Waking in the middle of one? That's the fog. The brain mumble, the why am I awake, feeling waking right after one ends. You hit the floor running. So plan, 4.5 hours equals 3 cycles, 6 hours equals 4 cycles, 7.5 hours equals 5 cycles. Set your alarm based on cycle completion, not a random hour. Because you're not just sleeping, you're finishing loops. Power down ritual. The last hour sets the tone. This is the elite habit most people skip. The final 60 minutes before bed? That's your pre-sleep sequence. Use the 3-2-1 method. 3 hours before bed, no heavy meals. Digestion interrupts recovery. 2 hours before bed, no work, no big decisions, morning light equals instant freshness. First thing after waking, don't reach for your phone. Step outside for 10 minutes of sunlight. Natural light resets your whole internal clock. It tells your brain, wake up now, time's up. It suppresses melatonin, the sleep hormone. It spikes serotonin, the mood, motivation, alertness hormone. You'll feel your brain wake up. That's not optional. That's mandatory. Cold water or movement immediately. Don't hit snooze, hit the ground, start moving. Wash your face with cold water. 20 push-ups, jumping jacks, any movement. That jolt. Dopamine, noradrenaline, energy surge. Within 3 minutes, you're awake. Not creeping out of sleep. You're mobilizing your body, your mind, your mission. Caffeine timing matters. No caffeine after 2 p.m. Caffeine blocks adenosine, the chemical that builds sleep pressure. Even if you fall asleep, your deep sleep drops up to 30%, so you're asleep. But you're not recovered. You're unconscious, not powered up. Your room equals recovery chamber. Set your environment for optimal cycles. Temperature, 18 to 20 degrees Celsius. Lights, pitch black or wear a mask. Sounds, silence or white noise. Magnetize to recovery. Because your body thrives in cold, dark, quiet. You're not sleeping. You're regenerating. Magnesium and herbal assist. Low magnesium equals poor sleep quality. Listen, sleep is not a weakness. Sleep is a weapon. You don't need to brag about sleeping 4 hours. You need to master efficient recovery. Because success isn't about who stays up late. It's about who wakes up clear, calm, and focused. You don't pour from an empty brain. You can't hustle with a drained body. You won't win fights. Your body and mind are too tired to fight. Optimize your sleep, and you'll get back time. You'll get back energy. You'll get your life back. Because one day, you'll wake up before your alarm, eyes open, heart calm, mind clear. And you'll realize you don't need more hours. You just need better energy. And you'll think back to when you said, I'll sleep early tomorrow. And you'll realize tomorrow finally came. If your brain just whispered, damn right now, hit like, subscribe. Because next week, we're diving into how to stay energized all day without a drop of caffeine. We're building you into a high-performance human, one smart sleep at a time. Sleep less. Sleep smarter. Now let's go.